This video is AI generated, which briefs the major highlights of Indian polity by Lakshmikant. Please switch to 1.5x for a better experience. Sit back and recollect through the points. All the best. Team TGPSC Pathashala. Historical background. Regulating Act of 1773. 1. First step taken by the British government to control and regulate the affairs of the East India Company in India, laid the foundations of central administration in India. 2. It designated the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal, GGB. The first such Governor General was Lord Warren Hastings. 3. It provided for the establishment of a Supreme Court at Calcutta, 1774, with original and appellate jurisdiction, comprising one Chief Justice and 3 other judges. UPSC Pre. 4. Bombay and Madras presidencies were made subordinate. Amending Act, 1781. 1. To rectify the defects of the Regulating Act of 1773, the British Parliament passed the Amending Act of 1781, also known as the Act of Settlement or Declaratory Act, 1781. 2. It exempted the Governor General and the Council from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court for the acts done by them in their official capacity and also exempted the servants of the company from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court for their official actions. 3. It excluded the revenue matters and the matters arising in the collection of revenue from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 4. It provided that the Supreme Court was to have jurisdiction over all the inhabitants of Calcutta. It also required the court to administer the personal law of the defendants, i.e., Hindus were to be tried according to the Hindu law and Muslims were to be tried according to the Mohammedan law. 5. It laid down that the appeals from the provincial courts could be taken to the Governor General in Council and not to the Supreme Court. It empowered the Governor General in Council to frame regulations for the provincial courts and councils. Pitt's India Act, 1784. 1. Indian affairs came under direct control of the British government in Britain. Distinguished between the commercial and political functions of the company. 2. Allowed the Court of Directors, COD, to manage the commercial affairs and created a new body called Board of Control, BOC, 6 members, to manage the political affairs to supervise and direct all operations of the civil and military government or revenues of the British. Act of 1786. 1. Lord Cornwallis was appointed as the Governor General of Bengal. He placed 2 demands to accept that post, viz. 1. He should be given power to override the decision of his council in special cases. 2. He would also be the commander-in-chief. Accordingly, the Act of 1786 was enacted to make both the provisions. 6. PAGA. Possessions in India. Thus, it established a system of dual government. Charter Act 1793. 1. It extended the overriding power given to Lord Cornwallis over his council, to all future Governor Generals and Governors of Presidencies. It gave the Governor General more powers and control over subordinate presidencies of Bombay and Madras. 2. It extended the trade monopoly of the company in India for another period of 20 years. 3. It provided that the Commander-in-Chief was not to be a member of the Governor General's Council, unless he was so appointed. 4. It laid down that the members of the Board of Control and their staff were, henceforth, to be paid out of the Indian revenues. Charter Act, 1813. 1. It ended the monopoly of the EIC in India except companies' monopoly in trade with China and trade in tea with India. Thus, trade with India for all commodities except tea was thrown open to all British subjects. This lasted till 1833 when the next charter abolished the trade of the company. 2. It asserted the sovereignty of the British Crown over the company's territories in India. Constitutional position of British territories in India explicitly defined for first time, UPSC Pre 2019. 3. It allowed the Christian missionaries to come to India for the purpose of enlightening the people. 4. It provided for the spread of Western education among the inhabitants of the British territories in India. 1 lakh rupee for education in native India, UPSC Pre 2018. 5. It authorized the local governments in India to impose taxes on persons. They could also punish the persons for not paying taxes. Charter Act, 1833. 1. Final step towards centralization. 2. Governor General of Bengal became the Governor General of India. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. The Governor General was vested with all civil and military powers. 3. It deprived the governors of Bombay and Madras of their legislative powers. 4. The laws made under the previous acts were known as regulations, while the laws made under this act were known as acts. It ended the activities of the EIC as a commercial body, making it a purely administrative body. 5. Introduced law member, Macaulay, in Governor General's Council. Charter Act, 1853. 1. Separated the legislative and executive functions of the Governor General's Council. Separation of powers. 2. Provided for addition of 6 new members called legislative councillors to the council known as the Indian Central Legislative Council. 3. It introduced, for the first time, local representation in the Indian Central Legislative Council. 4. Introduced an open competition for civil services. The Covenant Civil Service was thus thrown open to the Indians also. 5. Governor General could veto Bill 7, PAGA. 6. Provision for open competition negated by this Act. 7. Restrictions on immigration of Europeans and acquired property were lifted. 8. Indians law codified and consolidated. 9. No Indian denied employment under company on the basis of religion, color. 10. Abolished slavery. Government of India Act, 1858. 1. Also known as the Act for the Good Government of India. 2. Rule of company was replaced by the rule of crown. 3. Changed the designation of the Governor General of India to that of Viceroy of India. Viceroy became the agent of the Crown. 4. This Act abolished the dual government of the Pitt's India Act. 5. This Act also ended the doctrine of lapse. 6. The Secretary of State was a member of the British Cabinet and was ultimately responsible to the British Parliament. Established a 15-member Council of India to assist the Secretary of State for India. 7. Secretary of State can be sued in India and in England. Indian Councils Act, 1861 initiated the process of decentralization by restoring legislative powers to Bombay and Madras. These powers were taken away through Charter Act 1833. 2. Introduced representative institutions in India by associating Indians with the law-making process. 3. Viceroy nominated some Indians as non-official members of his expanded council. 3 Indians nominated were the Raja of Banaras, the Maharaja of Patiala, and Sir Dinkar Rao. Indian Councils Act, 1892 1. Though the majority of official members were retained, the non-official members of the Indian Legislative Council were henceforth to be nominated by the Bengal Chamber of Commerce and the provincial legislative councils, while the non-official members of the provincial council were to be nominated by certain local bodies such as universities, district boards and municipalities. Beginning of representative system in India. Indirect elections. 2. Council to have the power to discuss budget and of addressing questions to the executive. 8. PAGA. 4. It empowered the Viceroy to issue ordinances during emergency. 5. Empowered the Viceroy to frame the rules of business. The same power is given to the President of India under Art 77. 6. New legislative councils for Bengal, NWFP, Punjab. 7. Statutory recognition to portfolio system, introduced by Lord Canning, UPSC Pre. Indian Councils Act, 1909, Morley Minto reforms. 1. Introduced for the first time, an element of elections to the legislative councils. At the provincial legislative councils, non-official members to be in majority. 2. Introduction of separate electorates, for Muslims. 3. Representation in excess of population accorded to Muslims. 4. Income qualification law for Muslim voters. 5. It provided for the first time, association of Indians with the executive councils of the Viceroy and governors. Satyendra Prasad Sinha became the first Indian to join the Viceroy's executive council. He was appointed as the law member. Government of India Act, 1919, Montagu Chelmsford reforms. 1. Responsible government. 2. Office of the High Commissioner of India was created in London. 3. Indian legislature became bicameral for the first time. Centre. 4. Communal representation extended to 6. Christian, Anglo-Indian, Muslims. 5. Secretary of State for India now to be paid from British revenue. 6. Diarchy in provinces transferred subjects, governor with ministers responsible, reserved subjects governor with executives. 7. Devolution of legislative authority by centre to provinces separating central and provincial subjects, UPSC Pre-2012. Government of India Act, 1935 1, provided for the establishment of an All India Federation consisting of provinces and princely states as units. Note: princely states did not join and so federation didn't come into existence. 2. Residuary powers were given to the Viceroy, Governor General, UPSC 2018 3, abolished diarchy in the provinces and introduced provincial autonomy in its place. UPSC Pre-2004, introduced responsible government in provinces. 5. Introduced bicameralism in 6 out of 11 provinces. Indian Independence Act, 1947. The 20th of February 1947 Attlee declared British rule end by the 30th of June, 1948. The 3rd of June 1947 Mountbatten Plan accepted. 1. Declared India as an independent and sovereign state from August 15, 1947. 2. Provided for creation of two independent dominions of India and Pakistan with the right to secede from the British Commonwealth. Governor-General of each were to be appointed by King, on advice of the Dominion Cabinet. 3. Empowered the constituent assemblies of the two dominions to frame and adopt any constitution and to repeal any act of the British Parliament, including the Independence Act itself. 4. Abolished the office of the Secretary of State for India and transferred his functions to the Secretary. 9. PAGA. 6. Extended the principle of communal representation by providing separate electorates for depressed classes, scheduled castes, women and labor workers. 1909 only for Muslims. 1919 extended for 6. Indian Christians, Anglo-Indians and 7. Europeans. Abolished the Council of India, established by the Government of India Act of 1858. 8. The Secretary of State for India was provided with a team of advisors. 9. Established the Reserve Bank of India to control the currency and credit of the country. 10. Established the Federal Public Service Commission, Provincial Public Service Commission and Joint Public Service Commission for 2 or more provinces. 11. Federal Court, which was set up in 1937. Of State for Commonwealth Affairs. It assigned dual functions, i.e. constituent and legislative, to the Constituent Assembly formed in 1946. It declared thus Dominion Legislature as a sovereign body. Granted freedom to the Indian princely states either to join the Dominion of India or Dominion of Pakistan or to remain independent. Making of Constitution. Phil Circle 1934 idea of a Constituent Assembly for India was put forward for the first time by M.N. Roy, a pioneer of communist movement in India. Phil Circle 1935 The Indian National Congress, Inc., for the first time, officially demanded a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India. Phil Circle 1938 Nehru declared Constitution must be framed, without outside interference, by a Constituent Assembly elected on the basis of adult franchise. Phil Circle 1940 August offer. Demand for Constitution accepted. Phil Circle 1942 Sir Stafford Cripps, a member of the cabinet, came to India with a draft proposal of the British government on the framing of an independent constitution to be adopted after the World War II, proposal rejected by Muslim League. Phil Circle 1946 Constituent Assembly was constituted in November 1946 under the scheme formulated by the Cabinet Mission Plan. Phil Circle The Constituent Assembly was to be a partly elected and partly nominated body. Moreover, the members were to be indirectly elected by the members of the provincial assemblies, who themselves were elected on a limited franchise. UPSC pre-2013, Phil Circle Assembly comprised representatives of all sections of the Indian society: Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Parsis, Anglo-Indians, Indian Christians, SCs, STs including women of all these sections. 10. PAGA. Phil Circle the 9th of December, 1946 First meeting of Assembly. Muslim League boycotted the meeting. Shindra Sinha made temporary president, French practice. Phil Circle the 11th of December 1946 Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the assembly. Similarly, both H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari were elected as the vice presidents of the assembly. Phil Circle the 13th of December 1946 Jawaharlal Nehru moved the historic Objectives Resolution, Philosophy of Constitution Structure, in the assembly. Phil Circle the 22nd of January 1947 Resolution adopted. Phil Circle the 3rd of June 1947 Mountbatten Plan. Phil Circle Indian Independence Act of 1947 Assembly was made a fully sovereign body. Assembly also became a legislative body. The Assembly became the first Parliament of Free India, Dominion Legislature. Phil Circle Whenever the Assembly met as the constituent body it was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and when it met as the legislative body, it was chaired by G.V. Mavlinkar. These two functions continued till November 26, 1949. Phil Circle Constituent Assembly also performed the following functions. 1. It ratified India's membership of the Commonwealth in May 1949. 2. It adopted the national flag on July 22, 1947. 3. It adopted the national anthem on January 24, 1950. 4. It adopted the national song on January 24, 1950. 5. It elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first President of India on January 24, 1950. Phil Circle The Constitution is adopted on November 26, 1949, contained a preamble, 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. The preamble was enacted after the entire constitution was already enacted. Phil Circle Some provisions of the constitution pertaining to citizenship, elections, provisional parliament, temporary and transitional provisions, and short title contained in articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393 came into force on November 26, 1949, itself filled Circle Major Committees Drafting Committee B.R. Ambedkar Steering Committee Rajendra Prasad Union Powers Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Union Constitution Committee Jawaharlal Nehru Provincial Constitution Committee Sardar Patel Drafting Committee Filled Circle Drafting Committee set up on August 29, 1947 Filled Circle it consisted of 7 members. They were 1. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chairman 2. N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar 3. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer 4. Dr. K.M. Munshi 5. Syed Mohammad Sadullah 6. N. Madhava Rao, he replaced B.L. Mitter who resigned due to ill health 7. T.T. Krishnamachari, he replaced D.P. Khaitan who died in 1948 11. PAGA. Salient features of Constitution 1. Lengthiest written constitution originally, 1949, the constitution contained a preamble, 395 articles, divided into 22 parts, and 8 schedules. 2. Drawn from various sources, the Constitution of India has borrowed most of its provisions from the constitutions of various other countries as well as from the Government of India Act of 1935. 3. Blend of rigidity and flexibility. A rigid constitution is one that requires a special procedure for its amendment, as for example, the American Constitution. A flexible constitution, on the other hand, is one that can be amended in the same manner as the ordinary laws are made, as for example, the British Constitution. The Constitution of India is neither rigid nor flexible, but a synthesis of both. 4. Federal system with unitary bias, Art. 1 defines union of states and not federation of states, usual. Features of a federation, viz. 2 governments, division of powers, written constitution, supremacy of constitution, rigidity of constitution, independent judiciary and bicameralism. Unitary or non-federal features, viz. A strong center, single constitution, single citizenship, flexibility of constitution, integrated judiciary, appointment of state governor by the center, all India services, emergency provisions. 5. Parliamentary form of government, executives remain responsible to legislature, UPSC pre-2017. The parliamentary system is also known as the Westminster model of government, responsible government and cabinet government. Even though the Indian parliamentary system is largely based on the British pattern, there are some fundamental differences between the two. For example, the Indian Parliament is not a sovereign body like the British Parliament. Further, the Indian state has an elected head, republic, while the British state has hereditary head, monarchy. 6. Synthesis of parliamentary sovereignty and judicial supremacy. Doctrine of sovereignty of parliament is associated with the British Parliament, while the principle of judicial supremacy with that of the American Supreme Court. 7. Integrated and independent judiciary. Single system of courts enforces both the central laws as well as the state laws, unlike in USA, where the federal laws are enforced by the federal judiciary and the state laws are enforced by the state judiciary. 8. Single citizenship. Though the Indian Constitution is federal and envisages a dual polity, center and states, it provides for only a single citizenship, that is, the Indian citizenship. Sources of the Constitution at a glance. Sources. Features borrowed. 1. Government of India Act of 1935. Federal scheme, Office of Governor, Judiciary, Public Service Commissions, Emergency Provisions and Administrative Details. 12. PAGA. Distribution of powers between center and states in Indian Constitution. 2. British Constitution. Parliamentary government, rule of law, legislative procedure, single citizenship, cabinet system, prerogative writs, parliamentary privileges and bicameralism. 3. U.S. Constitution. Fundamental rights, independence of judiciary, judicial review. Impeachment of the President, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges and post of Vice President. 4. Irish Constitution. Directive principles of state policy, nomination of members to Rajya Sabha, and method of election of President. 5. Canadian Constitution. Federation with a strong center, vesting of residuary powers in the center. Appointment of state governors by the center, and advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 6. Australian Constitution. Concurrent list, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse, and joint sitting of the 2 houses of parliament. 7. Weimar Constitution of Germany. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency. 8. Soviet Constitution, USSR, now Russia. 9. French Constitution. Fundamental duties and the ideal of justice, social, economic and political, in the preamble. Republic and the ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble. 10. South African Constitution procedure for amendment of the constitution and election of members of Rajya Sabha. 11. Japanese constitution procedure established by law. Preamble of Constitution. Fifth Circle American Constitution was the first to begin with a preamble. Fifth Circle preamble to the Indian Constitution is based on the Objectives Resolution, drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru, and adopted by the Constituent Assembly. Fifth Circle preamble reflects mind of constitution makers. UPSC pre-2017, Fifth Circle. It has been amended by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1976, which added 3 new words: socialist, secular and integrity. Key words in the preamble. 1. Sovereign. Sovereign implies that India is neither a dependency nor a dominion of any other nation, but an independent state free to conduct its own affairs, both internal and external. 2. Socialist. Fifth Circle Congress Party itself adopted a resolution to establish a socialistic pattern of society. In its Avadi session, Fifth Circle Indian brand of socialism is a democratic socialism, and not a communistic socialism, also known as state socialism. 13. PAGA. Fifth Circle Democratic Socialism holds faith in a mixed economy, where both public and private sectors coexist side by side. Fifth Circle Indian Socialism is a blend of Marxism and Gandhism, leaning heavily towards the Gandhian socialism, stateless society. UPSC pre-2020. 3. Secular. Fifth Circle added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Fifth Circle positive concept of secularism. A. All religions in our country, irrespective of their strength, have the same status and support from the state. 4. Democratic. Fifth Circle doctrine of popular sovereignty, that is, possession of supreme power by the people. It calls into activity the intelligence and character of ordinary man and women. UPSC 2017. Fifth Circle direct democracy. The people exercise their supreme power directly, as is the case in Switzerland. 4 devices of direct democracy, namely, referendum, initiative, recall and plebiscite. Fifth Circle referendum is a procedure whereby a proposed legislation is referred to the electorate for settlement by their direct votes. Initiative is a method by means of which the people can propose a bill to the legislature for enactment. Recall is a method by which the voters can remove a representative or an officer before the expiry of his term, when he fails to discharge his duties properly. Plebiscite is a method of obtaining the opinion of people on any issue of public importance. It is generally used to solve territorial disputes. Fifth Circle indirect democracy. On the other hand, the representatives elected by the people exercise the supreme power and thus carry on the government and make the laws for India. Fifth Circle the principles of liberty, equality and fraternity are not to be treated as separate items in a trinity. They form a union of trinity in the sense that to divorce one from the other is to defeat the very purpose of democracy. 5. Republic. Fifth Circle the head of the state is always elected directly or indirectly for a fixed period, e.g., USA. Fifth Circle India has an elected head called the President. He is elected indirectly for a fixed period of 5 years. Fifth Circle a republic also means 2 more things: vesting of political sovereignty in the people and not in king. Second, the absence of any privileged class and hence all public offices being open to every citizen without any discrimination. 6. Just as the ideal of justice social, economic and political has been taken from the Russian Revolution, 1917. 14. PAGA. 7. Liberty. Liberty means the absence of restraints on the activities of individuals, and at the same time, providing opportunities for the development of individual personalities. UPSC 2019, the preamble secures to all citizens of India liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. UPSC pre-2017. 8. Equality. Absence of special privileges to any section of the society, and the provision of adequate opportunities for all individuals without any discrimination. 9. Fraternity. Sense of brotherhood to assure 2 things: the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Word integrity has been added to the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment, 1976. Preamble A as part of the Constitution. Birubari Union Case, 1960. Supreme Court specifically opined that preamble is not a part of the Constitution. Kesavananda Bharti Case, 1973. Held that preamble is a part of the Constitution. LIC of India Case, 1995, the Supreme Court again held that the preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. Status of preamble. Fifth Circle. Like any other part of the Constitution, the preamble was also enacted by the Constituent Assembly. But, after the rest of the constitution was already enacted, independent, fifth circle the preamble is neither a source of power to legislature nor a prohibition upon the powers of legislature. Fifth circle it is non-justiciable, that is, its provisions are not enforceable in courts of law. UPSC Pre-2020. Amenability of the preamble. Fifth circle preamble can be amended, subject to the condition that no amendment is done to the basic features. The fundamental features of the Constitution is contained in the preamble cannot be altered by an amendment under Article 368. Fifth circle preamble has been amended only once so far, in 1976, by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, which has added 3 new words: socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble. Union of States. Union and its territory. Fifth circle Article 1 describes India, that is, Bharat as a union of states as rather than a federation of states as. Fifth circle first schedule of constitution lists the names of states and their territories. Fifth circle phrase, union of states as, has been preferred to federation of states as for 2 reasons. 1. The Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement among the states like the American Federation. And 2. The states have no right to secede from the federation. Indian Federalism UPSC Pre-2017, 15, PAGA. Fifth circle according to Article 1, the territory of India can be classified into 3 categories. 1. Territories of the states. 2. Union territories. 3. Territories that may be acquired by the government of India at any time. Fifth circle names of states and union territories and their territorial extent are mentioned in the first schedule of the Constitution. Article 1 describes India, that is, Bharat as a union of states as rather than a federation of states as. This provision deals with 2 things. 1. Name of the country. And 2. Type of polity. Article 2 grants 2 powers to the Parliament. The power to admit into the Union of India new states. And b. The power to establish new states. The first refers to the admission of states which are already in existence, while the second refers to the establishment of states which were not in existence before. Article 3 Parliament to form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting 2 or more states or parts of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. B. Increase the area of any state. C. Diminish the area of any state. D. Alter the boundaries of any state. And A. Alter the name of any state. Fifth circle above changes can be introduced in the Parliament only with the prior recommendation of the President. Fifth circle President has to refer the same to the state legislature concerned for expressing its views within a specified period. Fifth circle power of Parliament to form new states includes the power to form a new state or union territory by uniting a part of any state or union territory to any other state or union territory. Fifth circle President or Parliament is not bound by the views of the state legislature. Fifth circle Constitution authorizes the Parliament to form new states or alter the areas, boundaries or names of the existing states without their consent. Fifth circle India is rightly described as an indestructible union of destructible states. Article 4 Fifth circle declares that laws made for admission or establishment of new states, under Article 2, and formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states, under Articles 3, are not to be considered as amendments of the Constitution under Article 368. Fifth circle such laws can be passed by a simple majority and by the ordinary legislative process. 16, PAGA. Various commissions in evolution of states and roots. Dhar Commission Fifth circle for reorganization of states on linguistic basis. Accordingly, in June 1948, the Government of India appointed the Linguistic Provinces Commission under the chairmanship of S.K. Dhar to examine the feasibility. Fifth circle the Commission submitted its report in December 1948 and recommended the reorganization of states on the basis of administrative convenience rather than linguistic factor. JVP Committee Fifth circle it consisted of Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabhi Sitaramaiah and hence was popularly known as JVP Committee. Fifth circle constituted in December 1948. Submitted its report in April 1949 and formally rejected language as the basis for reorganization of states. Fifth circle however, in October 1953, the Government of India was forced to create the first linguistic state, known as Andhra State, by separating the Telugu-speaking areas from the Madras State. Fazal Ali Commission Fifth circle December 1953 a 3-member states reorganization commission under the chairmanship of Fazal Ali. Its other 2 members were K.M. Panikkar and H.N. Kunsru. Fifth circle submitted its report in September 1955 and broadly accepted language as the basis of reorganization of states. Fifth circle it rejected the theory of one language, one state. Fifth circle commission suggested the abolition of the 4-fold classification of states and territories. States Reorganization Act 1956, new states and union territories created after 1956. 1956 Kerala equals Travancore plus Kochi plus South Canara. Andhra Pradesh equals Andhra plus Hyderabad. Madhya Pradesh equals Madhya Bharat plus Vindhya plus Bhopal. Mu UT equals Lakadiv. Minicoy. Amandevi Islands from the territory detached from the Madras state. 1960 Maharashtra and Gujarat bifurcated. 1961 Dadra and Nagar Haveli, 10th const. AMD. 1962 Goa, Daman, Diu, 12th const. AMD. French handover Puducherry, 14th const. AMD. 1963 Nagaland 17, PAGA. 1966 Haryana. 1971 Himachal Pradesh. 1974 Sikkim, 36th AMD. Sikkim full-fledged state. 1987 Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Goa. 2000 Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand. 2014 Telangana. 2019 2 Union Territories. J&K. Ladakh Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, 2019, bifurcated the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir into two separate union territories, namely, the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. Citizenship.